Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Monster Bubba Bubbaphant from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this cute monster elephant, let's first start by drawing the trunk. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. This is going to be right in the center. And I'm going to bring it down. And I'm just going to stop there for now. And now that I have this, I'm going to go around. So I'm going to find my center and go to the left a little bit and go to the right. And then I'm going to go up with a curve to draw the eye socket. And I'll just bring it down to about right here and then just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. There. So now that we have that right close to the trunk, about right here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. And then inside the circle, I'm just going to put a little dot. So same thing here. And then I'm just going to shade this in real quick so you can see it a little bit better. And same thing over here. Looks like a pair of lungs, huh? With eyes. Okay, so now that I have that, let's go ahead. We're going to come to the top, about right here in the center. And we're going to draw a curve over the eye and bring it down. And same thing here. Just give it a little curve up and then bring it down just like the other side. And then from there, we're going to go ahead, come right about here underneath the eye, and we're going to draw a curve past the eye and say about right here, we're just going to curve up. Oops. So same thing here on the other side. Past the eye. And about right here, curve up. Then from there, we're just going to bring this down more. And let's go ahead and just widen out this smile. So let's say about right here. And same thing over here. There. And since right here, I'm just going to quickly shade this in. There, so now the big smile, and we're going to go around it. So come right here, go around, soften this up, and then go around the smile all the way. So same thing here. Curve, curve around. And connect it. There. And just cap it off. Then from there, we need to draw the big elephant ears. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to go up to about here, then come down, and we're going to bring it in to about right there, and come right back out and back in. Then we're just going to follow whatever we drew for the inside detail. There. So same thing on the other side. And I'm just dragging these points across so that I'm approximately the same area on the other side. And I'm just going to drag this across since I'm drawing kind of big, just so I know that I'm approximately the same height. So once again, just going to come in Then I'm going to bring it back to this point. And in. There. And same thing. Draw the inside. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and we need to draw the body. So I'm going to keep bringing this down because the trunk just literally just runs all the way down. So, but I'll stop there for now again, and so that we can finish the body first. So let's come about right here, kind of like where the eye, oops, where the eye is. I'm just going to draw a curve on both sides. There. And then I'm going to come right here and angle a line, and about right here I'm going to round it off, and this is going to round it off. So this is where we start the legs. So as we round it off, I'm going to bring this in and go out at an angle, and say about right here I'm just going to add a little knob and continue. So I'm going to get wider as I continue out. And I think the wobblier you make it, the weirder you make it, the scarier, the creepier it will look. So don't worry too much. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. And let's see here. Then let's just keep working on this side. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve, and then here, bring a curve down. And let's continue this. So we're going to just kind of put it about here, and once again just draw a little knob and keep going. And it's going to end a little bit shorter, so about right here I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in. Then right about here we're going to draw a curve to finish off the rest of the body. And so let's work on this side now. So we're just going to angle down, give a little knob, just like the other side. And I'm going to bring it out and about right here. And go all the way down to the same level. There. Okay, so then now for the same thing, we're just going to continue this. And one more level, and then let's just bring this trunk down all the way to say about right here, and then I'm going to stop and cut it off with a curve and just a little bit wider, and we're still going to go straight down to about right here and then connect it with a curve. So this is as if the trunk is folding over, curving over, and then right about here we're going to add a curve right there. And then for the feet, so let's say about right here, we're going to cut it off, and we're going to draw the nails, 2 and 3. So same thing here, 1, 2. There. And last thing we need to add is the tail. So right about here, I'm just going to bring this curve out and just kind of brush shape right here. And for the, oh, actually we need to draw some, almost forgot, some stitches right here. And same thing here. And right here as well on the legs. And there's no symbol because the trunk is covering it, so there's really no room to put it. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Monster Bubba Bubbaphant from Poppy Playtime. I really hope you love how it turned out and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.